Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to our video and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Today we are doing red beans and rice with Kaneka sausage. We was going to do cornbread, but while I was sleeping, Jared cooked everything and he forgot the cornbread. So we're just having rice that he cooked over the stovetop and then red beans and Kaneka sausage that was cooked in the Instapot. Here is the recipe as promised, and if you watch my grocery haul, I did not show y'all what I wrote down because I forgot to, but this is the Instapot red beans and rice. Super simple. You can get it at allrecipe.com. So this is our dinner, and we haven't had this in like 2 years. We haven't had it since we moved into this apartment. So we are going to eat this, and then I'm going to head to work, and I will see you guys Monday. Hey guys, it is Monday and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Sunday, we actually had a Pokemon Go event that we went and played with my boyfriend and his sisters. So we went out and got some Jersey Mike's, which is a sandwich place. So it is currently Monday and we are having breakfast because I totally forgot to take something out to eat. We're supposed to have burger bowls on Sunday. We were going to have it today, and I totally forgot when I was walking out the door. But we are having some sausage patties, some eggs, and some homemade hash browns that Jared makes, and it's super delicious. So this is our simple dinner, and we'll see you guys Tuesday. So it is Tuesday, and we are having what I call the burger bowl, but it's not in a burger. You've seen this recipe a ton of times. It is a burger with no bun. So we have burger, we have mushrooms, cheese, spinach, bacon, and then we have a fried egg just to add some crunch to that also and creaminess. And the burger is actually a bacon burger. They are pre-made already from Walmart. And then I have some mayo and ketchup on the side that I'm going to use as a dipping sauce. So this is what we're going to have, some burger bowls. They look really, really good. They're tasty and they're super easy to cook and assemble. And we will see you guys Wednesday. Hey guys, it is actually Wednesday, and if you can hear rain outside, that is the maintenance people actually power washing our apartment really late at night. Don't know why. But we are having sticky Chinese pork belly with rice, and we did have zucchini, but I forgot to film that because I literally ate all my zucchini when I remembered I needed to film it. But this is a tried and true recipe, and we absolutely love it. A lot of people wanted me to film me cooking or share the recipe, so here's the recipe. So it is sticky Chinese pork belly. Here is the ingredients. You do not have to do the slow cooker. If you have a pressure cooker, you can do that. If you have a Dutch oven, you can use that also. Here's some instructions. So if you want to pause this video and screenshot it, you can. And let me get the other piece of paper out for you guys. And here is the rest of the instructions. So you guys, yes, very, very simple recipe. If you want to pause the video and screenshot that recipe, you can. It is also in my Pinterest. Just to let you know, my link is down below if you want to go and follow me. And it should be in my either tried and true album or my regular food album. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. And this is what we're having for dinner. Super yummy. And this red stuff is just hot sauce that I just poured over it just to get some liquid in it. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright you guys, so today is Thursday and what we are having for dinner is some roasted zucchini. I had some jalapenos that were going bad, so I needed to cook those. So I made some jalapeno poppers with cream cheese and bacon and paprika on top. Usually I add some shredded cheese, but I just didn't today. And then we are having the tried and true Loretta chicken. that has a smear of mayonnaise and then breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese with oregano, paprika, and salt and pepper. This is a tried and true recipe. It is in my Pinterest, as I have mentioned before, and the link will be down below. So yeah, this is what we are having for dinner, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it is Friday, and Friday means I have to go to work from 7 p to 7 a. So it's currently 5 o'clock, and I am actually getting ready for work. But I wanted to film what I was going to eat. Of course, it is leftovers. We have the chicken Loretta, and then we have some roasted zucchini. And I'm going to eat this. Hopefully I won't be hungry those 12 hours I'm going to be at work. But who knows, if not, then I have fruit and whatnot to keep me full throughout the night. So this is Friday's dinner, and we will hopefully see you guys Saturday. Hey guys, so it is Saturday, and we are having something super simple because I literally just woke up and I have to be at work at 7, as always. But we are having some bagel with blackberry cream cheese, so that looks really good. And then I have some grapes. Super simple. I really wasn't that hungry because I had a sandwich for lunch, and that was really fulfilling. So this is our Saturday night dinner, and we're just going to go over the meal plan for the week from last week. The burger bowls, they were good, but we're kind of over getting the already pre-made burgers from Walmart, and it just did not really taste good, so we are not going to be doing that kind of burger bowls anymore. Pork belly with broccoli. We didn't do the pot stickers, but we did the pork belly, and it was super good. As always, had it over with some rice. It's always a tried and true. Chicken Loretta. Absolutely love chicken Loretta. We had the roasted zucchini. Absolutely, I would recommend you try that for sure. Breakfast, we did not have any hash browns or sausage, but we had some eggs and, you know, the usual eggs, bacon. Friday, we did not have the buffalo chicken wings, but we had the leftover chicken Loretta. And then Saturday, as you can see, we are having the blueberry bagels. So, I hope y'all enjoy these videos. Let me know down below if you are going to try any of these recipes. And let me know if y'all are a new subscriber. Hello, my name is Shirley. I do bunch of stuff, grocery hauls, what's for dinners, budgeting, sinking funds, anything and everything. So hi, let's get to know each other, and I hope y'all are having a great week. See y'all later. Bye. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday, and we are having some buffalo wings and some roasted zucchini. Jared did so good on this roasted zucchini. I'm very impressed. And then he had some carrots that he wanted to roast up because it was going bad. But I don't eat carrots, so that's probably why I wear glasses. But anyways, so we have roasted zucchini, we have hot wings, and this is the little seasoning pack. If you've seen my Walmart grocery haul, that was up on Sunday. We bought this game time, and I actually tried some of the sauce, and it was like really spicy. It's only like 94 cents. But yeah, so we're going to eat this and just pretty much relax, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, and we're having leftovers. So we have the red beans and rice, and it's a little soupy today because I thought it was going to dry out, so I added some liquid to it, but that's fine. It's still going to be good. And then we have cornbread, leftover cornbread. So it's really good to keep it like moist. You just wrap it around in like a damped paper towel and put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, and it's still soft and good. But this is our dinner for tonight, so we are having leftovers, and we will see you guys Wednesday. Hey guys, it is Friday, and we did cook on Thursday, but I did not film it because I got home super late and I was just really hungry. But we had our usual breakfast with eggs, and we had sausage instead of bacon, so nothing out of the ordinary. So tonight, it doesn't really look pretty, but it tastes really good, I promise. We had some chicken thighs. We're supposed to have leftovers, but we didn't have any leftovers to eat. So I defrosted some chicken thighs. I threw that with some chopped up zucchini in the pressure cooker, and I cooked it on high for 35 minutes. And this is the results. It looks really good. Just basic seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. I had some paprika. And yeah, so this is our dinner for Friday. And tomorrow, I'm probably going to end the video right now, but tomorrow, Jared's brother is coming in from California. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we're pretty much going to be going out to eat all day or all weekend. So if I remember, I will film it. But I'm going to end it here. Make sure you subscribe down below. Let me know what you are going to be cooking this week. And link your videos down below so I can go and check it out also. But I will see you guys later. Bye.